Hi, sixth graders. Today we are going to do something completely different than answering a short answer question. We're going to use a new app called Flipgrid. And so in Safari, I want you to go up to the URL and type in flipgrid.com. It's going to pop up. It's going to look like this. And what Flipgrid is, real quick, I'll explain, is a video recording response system that you can create a Flipgrid to answer questions that I am going to pose. You can see there's all sorts of different kind of Flipgrids that are created from different classrooms. And so how you do this to get to our question for today, you're going to go to the sign up today. But what you will do, you're not an educator, you're a student, so you're going to go to the Flipgrid. I have a code already created for you, and so it is here. Okay, we're going to answer questions about the codes of Hammurabi, and I'll explain that as soon as we get in. So here, I'm just going to leave this up so you can see this is the code that you need to type into when you get into your Flipgrid. Okay. So let's get it started. All right. Okay, I'm going to go to my Flipgrid, and this is going to pop up. It's going to say it's locked. Yes, because it is only for our classroom. So with your student email, you're going to click this. Okay, I have one set up already for us to look at. And so this is what it's going to look like. It's going to say Miss Francis's World History, Codes of Hammurabi. And here is the question that you need to answer. Okay, so based on what we have studied with Hammurabi's Code, why do you think that death was the penalty for so many crimes? We've talked about Hammurabi's Code in class and how they were some of the harshest laws and why some of them were put into place. But the question I'm asking you and your opinion is, why do you think that death was a penalty for so many of the crimes? Okay, so when you are ready to answer, you will click this button, which I'll go ahead and do. Okay, this pops up, click allow and close. Okay, so this will pop up and you will hit record. You can record for about 1.5 minutes right here. Okay, after you record, let's just do this. Okay, Hammurabi's Code, blah, 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 blah. I'm done. I'm going to click the next button. I'm going to click review. Okay, Hammurabi's Code, blah, 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 blah. I'm done. I'm going to click the Okay, I can give it a title, can attach it, whatever. You can redo it if you want. There's a sticky to type a note, I suppose. Yeah. And then you're going to click next. You're going to snap a selfie for your photo, and that's your Flipgrid. Okay, I'm not actually going to save that because I don't want to see myself giving. So again, here is the code right here for you. So I want you to go ahead and grab your laptops, go into Flipgrid. If you have questions, of course, raise your hands and I'll come by and help you out. All right, let's get started.